Okay, hello everyone. Yeah, my name is Kaikai from computer engineering department. It's a very long journey starting last year to try to learn the specification gradings. So what I tried is in this semester, I tried one data mining class. I tried to implement the specification grading for my data mining class in this semester. Next semester, also try to apply the specification grading for my another class. That's the computer network class. This is two different areas. But both these classes have some of the challenges. The first class, the data mining class, I know many departments, even many universities all offer this data mining class. And many students are really want to be a data scientist. But the challenge is like, there are many related courses. Like some students already take machine learning. Some students maybe take data engineering before. Some students don't have any previous knowledge about data science or data mining. So that's why students have so many different backgrounds. Even some students don't know Python. So yeah, and many courses has some overlap. So we need to make sure this course can meet the needs for different students. For some students without background, they know a lot and they know lots of basic stuff. For students, they already learned some other courses like data engineering or machine learning, right? They can learn some advanced stuff. Yeah, that's why one challenging thing for me is how can I assign projects and homework can meet the requirement for all different students. If my homework is very, very challenging, then students with no background, they say, oh, I get punished because I don't have this background. So that's why to prepare this class, I set up a lot of sample code. Even starting with the very basic, I shared some screenshot of my GitHub over there. So I provide some screenshot like data sample for even basic Python, data mining stuff, cloud data mining, even machine learning, image deep learning based, even image mining or text mining. I provide all this sample code. So that then students, when they do the homework or project, you can base on my sample code without saying, oh, I have my previous experience, I have this previous experience. So that all the students can have a uniform baseline. So for the specification grading, I think that the most challenging part for me previously is like homework and project. So that's why I want to change the grading for the homework and the project. I didn't change the midterm exam and the final exam because I think most students are already familiar with how the midterm exam and how the final exam works. If we do really big changes, remove the final exam, remove the midterm exam, it's like a very, very big challenge for me. But at least try to persuade the students to say, oh, this is a better idea than final exam or midterm exam. It's pretty harder. And final exam sounds old school stuff, but it's fair. It's pretty fair for all the students. So that's why I decided to change the homework and the project, because our homework and the project mostly are programming based. And many questions are open-ended questions. Students may have so many different solutions. Previously, I have challenges. If I assign maybe 20 points for this homework, maybe 80 points for this project, it's very hard to assign the points because they may using different solutions, right? How I can decide that maybe this solution is better than others? How I can decide, oh, maybe this students get 20 points, this students maybe get 18 points, and I always receive email from students who complain that why I receive 80 points because I meet all your requirements. Why I didn't get 20 points? So yeah, that's pretty challenging for me. Another thing is like if my homework is very hard, then some students may complain, say, oh, I don't know this background, I don't have this knowledge, I'm new to this stuff. This kind of homework is very hard for them, right? If my homework is too easy, some students with strong background say, hey, that's too easy. I didn't learn a lot from this class. So that's why I try to, in this semester, I try to design the grading for homework and the project. So I didn't using the points. I using the specification grading, using excellent, meets expectation, and needs revision and not accessible. This kind of 4 gradings. And the students have some revision period. Because many students have some common problems is when they submit, they may submit a wrong version, some maybe code are not accessible or document miss the document, or they may have some misunderstanding of the requirement. So I do not punish all this. They have a revision period. They can fix some of these problems. Then the homework we can say is like a basic requirements. If you meet all these things, you get this meets expectation. But for students who have very strong background, they want some challenging tasks. I also have some multiple bonus work. But the bonus work, the point is 0. It's not counted as the total points. But the bonus work is only impact the students who want to get A or A+. So if students who want to get A, so in addition to all the traditional weighted points like final exam, all the things, you should finish at least 2 additional bonus work. If students who want to get A+, they need to finish at least 3 additional bonus work, and also need to get 1 excellent in the homework, so that I can meet the students' requirement in both groups. Some students who just want to learn the basic stuff, they can finish this basic homework, maybe get the meets expectation. Some students who want to get A or A+, they can do some more challenging bonus work. So far we have 2 homework finished, 2 bonus work finished, and 1 bonus work pending. So I saw many students actually like around maybe 10 students among all the 48 students get actually excellent rating in the homework 1. 5 students get excellent rating in the homework 2. For the bonus work, one surprised me that many students want to get A and A+. So that many students tried the bonus work. So when I assign this homework, I listed 1 example over there. I provide some options for their basic homework. I also add some advanced stuff as a bonus work. If you want to get A or A+, you need to show your effort. You need to do some additional work. It turns out many students are really interested to finish this bonus work. This is one of the example here. So some of the lessons learned is like it's easy for me add some of the challenging work for students who want to get A or A+. These students are happy. They say, "Oh, this work is very interesting," and most students can meet the basic requirements after some of the revision period. But I also noticed there are some challenges. Many students try to do the bonus work, but I realized some of the solutions may be look similar. Maybe they share not the exact same, but they share the same version, or maybe they have like working groups learn together. So that's why many students finished the bonus work, but the solution maybe looks very, very similar. I need to have more clear description or more requirement to avoid this kind of like situation happen. Another thing is like, although I only have very simple rubrics like EMRM rubrics, but we still need to have lots of the clear descriptions. What kind of requirement 1, requirement 2. The clear requirement is still very, very important. So in this semester, I only tried a partial conversion, only converted the homework and the project. Maybe next semester I try to, can we do a full conversion? Even the midterm exam or final exam can all include it in the specific grading. We can say when we do some big changes, we can learn the students' feedback. Thank you.